In today's video, I'm going to show you something interesting: how you can use ChatGPT to generate a simple script that reveals all the Wi-Fi passwords saved on your Windows system. Now, before you get too excited, let me be very clear: this is not hacking. We are not breaking into any network, we are not bypassing security. This method only shows passwords of Wi-Fi networks that your system has already connected to. So this is more about understanding how your system stores credentials and how easily they can be retrieved if someone has access to your machine. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Now here's the exact prompt you want to type. Give me a batch script to show all saved Wi-Fi passwords on Windows using netsh command. Once you enter this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script for you. What it's basically doing is writing a small automation using a Windows command called netsh. Now let me quickly explain what netsh is. Netsh stands for Network Shell. It's a built-in command line utility in Windows that allows you to manage and view network configurations. So we are not using any external hacking tool. This is 100% native to Windows. Now once ChatGPT gives you the script, copy it. Next step, open Notepad. Paste the code into Notepad. Now click on File, then Save As. Here's a very important step: when saving the file, change the file type from text document to all files. And name the file something like Wi-Fi passwords bat. Make sure the extension is and not. Now save the file on your desktop so it's easy to access. Alright, now comes the execution part. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. This is important because without admin access, the script might not show the passwords. Once you run it, a command prompt window will open. Now you'll start seeing output like this. It will list all the Wi-Fi networks your system has connected to, and below each network name it will display something called key content. That key content is the Wi-Fi password. So for example, if your system connected to a network called Home Wi-Fi, it will show the password right there. Now let's break down what the script is actually doing. First, it runs a command that lists all Wi-Fi profiles stored on your system. Then it loops through each profile one by one. For each profile, it runs another command that fetches detailed information, including the password in clear text. And finally, it filters the output to only show the password line. So the entire process is just automation of built-in commands. Now let's talk about why this works. Whenever you connect to a Wi-Fi network on Windows, the system stores that network profile locally. This includes the SSID, security type, and the password. This is done so that your system can automatically reconnect to the network in the future without asking for the password again. But because it's stored locally, anyone with administrative access to your system can retrieve it. And that's exactly what we are doing here. Now let's talk about limitations, because this is where most people get confused. This method will not work for networks you have never connected to. It cannot hack or guess passwords. It cannot break WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. It only shows already saved passwords. So if you see videos online saying hack any Wi-Fi using ChatGPT, that's mostly clickbait. Real Wi-Fi hacking is a completely different process. It involves capturing packets, performing handshake attacks using tools like AirCrackNG, and usually requires a Linux environment like Kali Linux. And even then, it's not guaranteed unless the password is weak. So don't confuse this simple trick with actual penetration testing. Now let's talk about security implications. If someone gets access to your laptop or desktop and has admin rights, they can run this script and see all your saved Wi-Fi passwords. That means your home Wi-Fi password, your office Wi-Fi password, any hotspot you've connected to. Everything can be exposed. So what can you do to protect yourself? First, always secure your system with a strong login password. Second, avoid giving admin access to unknown users. Third, if you're using a shared system, avoid saving sensitive Wi-Fi networks. And if needed, you can delete saved Wi-Fi profiles manually from your system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.